Lifestyle-focused consumer technologies platform and India's only women-led unicorn, Nykaa, made its market debut on Wednesday, tripling founder Falguni Nayar's net worth and making her the country's newest self-made billionaire in an ongoing IPO boom. Besides her, the stock's debut catapulted its promoters, the Nayar family, as one of India's richest self-made billionaires. At present, the promoter family holds around 53% stake in FSN e-commerce ventures, which owns Nykaa. The stake at the opening price of Rs 2001 per share was worth over $6.5 billion. The promoter family has stakes of Falguni Nayar and her children Anchit Nayar, Advaita Nayar and the Nayar Trust. Falguni Nayar is the founder, executive chairperson, managing director and chief executive officer of FSN e-commerce ventures, which owns Nykaa. She has over 26 years of experience in e-commerce, investment banking and broking. Prior to founding Nykaa, she was associated with Kotak Mahindra Capital Company for 18 years, where she served as a managing director. She has also served on the boards of various companies including Tata Motors and Aviva Life Insurance Company, India. Investment banker Nayar turned entrepreneur at 50 with the launch of the e-commerce platform in 2012, selling beauty and personal care products via its mobile app and website. Nykaa, the Sanskrit word for actress, quickly became popular with young tech-savvy Indians, predominantly women, who preferred the wide selection of brands compared with what was on offer at their local shops. Endorsements from social media influencers and celebrities, Bollywood actress Katrina Kaif has invested in the firm, helped cement Nykaa's popularity as its battle against endorsements from social media influencers and celebrities like Bollywood actress Katrina Kaif, who has invested in the firm, helps cement Nykaa's popularity as it battles against giants such as Amazon and Flipkart. Presently, she serves as an independent director on the boards of various companies including Kotak Securities, ACC and Dabur India. I hope the Nykaa journey, an Indian-born, Indian-owned and Indian-managed dream come true, can inspire each of you, Nayar said at the listing ceremony on Wednesday. News Desk, Kamdi Global.